Seaborn, violin plot with one data per column. I would like to combine this violin plot, this URL, fourth example with split equals true, with this one, this URL. Actually, I have a data frame with a column success, yes or no, and several data column. For example, I would like to plot a violin plot for each data column. It works with. But now, I would like to split the violin according to the success column. But, using hue equals success, I got an error with cannot use hue without X or Y. Thus how can I do to plot the violin plot by splitting according to success column?
If understand your question correctly, you need to reshape your data frame to have it in long format.
I was able to adapt an example of a violin plot over a data frame like so. Clearly, it still needs some work. The scale should be sized to fit a single half violin, for example.